Welcome to day 22. Today, I encourage you to keep going even when things are tough. Our verse, let us run with endurance the race that is set before us. That's from Hebrews chapter 12 verses 1 to 2. We should keep trying and not give up with faith to guide us like a light in the dark. Minsan nagiging mahirap ang mga bagay, tama ba? For example, when we are learning something new or when we have to finish something that takes a lot of work. Pero tulad ng isang karera, kailangan nating patuloy na tumakbo patungo sa finish line. Kahit na pakiramdam natin ay pagod na tayo. Now, it's your turn. In the comments, tell us about a time when you kept going even when it was hard. Let us cheer each other on to keep going no matter what. See you tomorrow for day 23 with more encouraging words. I love you. You are amazing. You matter. And receive your sunshine today. Mwah!